Hey everyone, it's Grecia. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys a tutorial on how to make face masks out of cotton fabric. As you guys know, we're currently in the middle of a pandemic and it's important that we all take the proper precautions to keep ourselves healthy and not spread the virus to other people. This is the face mask we're going to be making today. It is just simple 100% cotton fabric. The one thing I do want to clarify is that this mask won't actually help you against the virus. There is no filter in this, but if you want, you can go online and shop for filters that are replaceable and you can place them into the face mask. That's why I have created this opening on the side. I'm currently waiting for mine to ship. If you are somebody that touches their face a lot, this can help out as well. And other than that, I would just avoid going outside. So if you're interested in learning how to make this face mask, just stay tuned. So here I'll just quickly show you guys how I draft the pattern for the face mask. And here you can see the exact measurements I used for this pattern. Cut 2 of the shorter patterns for lining and 2 of the entire pattern for fashion fabric. Pin both the lining fabric and fashion fabric right sides together, and we're going to go ahead and sew a 1/4 inch seam allowance right on that front curve. Do this both for the lining and the fashion fabric. Press both seams open and place the lining and fashion fabric right sides together and pin. So I'm actually going to make an opening on one of the sides of the face mask, as you guys can see on this one. If you guys want to purchase replaceable filters online, I really suggest you guys doing that. It'll make your face mask a lot more effective. To create a clean edge on the opening of our face mask, I'm going to fold one of the sides of the lining over 1/8 of an inch and 1/8 of an inch again. We are now going to sew a 1/4 of an inch seam allowance along the top edge of the face mask. Pin the bottom half of the face mask and again sew 1/4 of an inch seam allowance. Now flip the face mask right side out. Once the face mask is nicely pressed, we're going to fold the edge on the side of the opening 1/2 of an inch and 1/2 of an inch again. Be sure not to overlap the opening and sew along the edge of the fold we just created. Repeat the process of folding over 1/2 and 1/2 again, however make sure to cover the raw edge on this side. Next, we'll be attaching the elastic to our face mask. This elastic is 1/4 inch wide, and I'm cutting out 2 strands of 9-inch elastic. I didn't have any trouble inserting the elastic through the opening. However, if you do, just attach a safety pin on the edge of the elastic and it should glide through nicely. Next, we're going to overlap the edges of our elastic about 1/2 inch, and we're going to seal it with a zigzag stitch. To have a clean finish, move the edges where we stitched into the inside of the face mask where they are no longer visible. And here we have our finished face mask. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was of some help for those of you that are interested in creating a face mask. Remember guys, stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.